Hey there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost a thread on Android using the Threads app. Reposting a thread is a great way to share interesting content with your friends and followers. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Download and install Threads app. Firstly, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Threads application on your Android smartphone. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Threads from Instagram. Once you find the app, download and install it on your device. Step 2. Log into Threads app. Now that you have installed the app, open it up and log in using your Instagram account details. Step 3. Find the thread you want to repost. Scroll through your threads until you find the thread you want to repost. Step 4. Tap on the exchange icon. Once you have found the thread you want to repost, tap on the exchange icon located below the thread. Step 5. Choose Repost. In the options that appear, choose Repost to repost the thread. Step 6. Edit your repost. You can now edit your repost by adding captions, hashtags, and location tags. You can also choose to share the post on other social media platforms. Reposting threads on Android using the Threads app is a quick and easy way to share content with your followers. You can repost any thread from your Threads app and share it with your followers on Instagram. This feature is a great way to discover new content and share it with your followers. So, give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.